Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Finally, Shell India announced the graduate program 2025 and it is an exclusive opportunity for 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21 batch. It is a direct test hiring. When I applied for this opportunity, immediately you can see 11 minutes ago I received a mail from them. You are invited to complete assessment with Shell Graduate Program 25 India and you can start your test. How to apply for opportunity? In the video I will share the step-by-step process. First of all, let's discuss what are the locations. Okay, so Mumbai, Gurgaon, Bangalore is the location, Chennai is the location. It is posted on 19 February and end date is 31st March. Okay, here they clearly mention there are most roles are there in this graduate program: commercial, corporate function, HR and technical graduate program. Okay, and have graduated prior to first day at Shell. They clearly mention you must be in the final year of your graduation. Final year means 25 batch, or have graduated with degree like bachelor's, master's, PhD from a recognized university with less than 3 years work experience. Okay, less than 3 years work experience means 21, 22, 23, 24 batch. Okay, so you can try to apply for opportunity. 21 to 25 is eligible. Okay, if you have a experience as well, less than 3 year of work experience is considerable. Or the thing is, here it is mentioned strong communication, interpersonal skills. You need to be Indian citizen or permanent residence or have a valid work permit of India. Okay, how to apply? First of all, this is a process you can see on my screen. When you go to the portal, first of all you have to fill your name and details. After that, your university, okay, and field of study. And they clearly mention if you are not based in the US or Canada, please enter NA in the GPA field. Okay, so you can convert the CGPA into GPA. Either you can put the NA. Okay, if you are not based in the US or Canada, they clearly mention here. And if your college is not here, so you can choose others. Okay, and you have to choose from which year to actual or expected year. Application questions is very important. Are you seeking a permanent full-time opportunity? Yes. Are you pursuing bachelor's or master's degree, or do you hold one of this degree? Yes. आपके पास है डिग्री या फिर आप अभी परस्यू कर रहे हैं. ओके, आर यू हैव बिन लास्ट 12 मंथ अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल? नो. आर यू इमीडिएट फैमिली गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल? नो. ओके, इसके बाद भी यहाँ पर आपको सिलेक्ट करना है नो. अर्नस्ट एंड यंग. डू यू हैव फाइनेंशियल अरेंजमेंट? नो. And which of the most closely describe your experience? If you not worked with the Shell, so you can mention I have no previous work experience. Do you have legal right to work in this country you are applying to? Yes. Do you currently hold OCI, overseas citizens of India card? In this you have to choose no. Do you will you now future require sponsorship, a visa or work permit? No, because it is in the India. Which of the following most closely describe your future? It is a technical role you have to choose, and here you have to choose no. Okay, why no? Because it is for they are asking the disability status. Okay, if you choose the yes, so I think the test will not come, so you have to choose no. After that, application questions to which year batch you are. Okay, in which year did you receive your degree, or if you still student, what year do you expect to graduate? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is mentioned. Okay, so no need to worry about that. After that, you have to choose your batch, and you are in the final year of study or have less than 3 years of relevant work experience as it related to highest degree completed. Do you meet this requirement? Yes. Preference first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and you have to click on save, continue. Personal information, date of birth. Okay, and after submitting, yeah, this status will be shown assessment in progress. Okay, assessment in progress, and you will immediately receive the mail. If you want a specific preparation video, let me know in the comment section. Must apply before the link expired. Thanks for watching the video.